sculpting forgotten stories. Upcycling industrial scraps into modern art installations represents one of the most powerful and visually striking evolutions of contemporary creative practice, where the remnants of heavy industry are no longer viewed as obsolete waste, but as monumental raw material for artistic expression and cultural storytelling. In this dramatic transformation, colossal gears once responsible for relentless motion and hefty structural beams that held up factories, bridges, and warehouses are removed from their utilitarian context and reimagined as breathtaking modern art installations. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. These industrial behemoths, scarred by time, heat, friction, and labor, carry within them a profound sense of history. And when artists engage with them, they are not merely recycling metal, but resurrecting stories embedded in steel. The sheer scale of these materials immediately sets them apart from traditional art mediums, demanding both physical courage and conceptual clarity from creators who dare to work with such weight and presence. Each piece becomes a dialogue between past and present, between function and expression, between industrial force and human imagination, proving that beauty and meaning can emerge from even the most unlikely origins. The transformation process begins with a shift in perception, where scrap yards become open-air galleries of potential and forgotten machinery, becomes a library of form, texture, and narrative. A massive gear, rusted and silent, once synchronized with countless others in a factory, now becomes a focal point of contemplation when suspended in a gallery or public space. Its teeth, once symbols of efficiency and production, turn into sculptural rhythms that guide the viewer's eye and evoke the passage of time. Structural beams, bent or fractured, are reassembled into towering compositions that speak of endurance, collapse, and renewal. Rather than hiding imperfections, artists elevate them, allowing corrosion, weld marks, and stress fractures to remain visible as visual evidence of the material's past life. These details become the soul of the installation, reminding audiences that the artwork was not born in a pristine studio, but forged through years of real-world use and labor. This honesty gives industrial upcycled art a depth that resonates deeply in an era increasingly detached from physical work and tangible production. What makes these installations truly breathtaking is the way scale transforms emotional impact. Standing before a massive steel sculpture constructed from factory remnants, viewers experience a sense of awe similar to that inspired by ancient monuments or architectural wonders. The weight and size of the materials command attention, forcing people to slow down, observe, and reflect. These works occupy space with authority, redefining their surroundings and reshaping how environments are experienced. In urban settings, they soften industrial decay by turning abandoned zones into cultural landmarks. In galleries, they challenge conventional definitions of art by blurring the line between sculpture, architecture, and historical artifact. The monumental scale of upcycling sends a powerful message. Sustainability is not small or insignificant, but bold, ambitious, and capable of producing iconic works that rival traditional fine art in presence and value. Beyond their visual power, these installations find new purpose by reconnecting society with the industrial heritage that built modern civilization. Many factories and machines that once drove economies are now dismantled or forgotten, leaving behind fragments stripped of context. By incorporating these elements into art, creators preserve collective memory in a tangible form. Each installation becomes a physical archive, honoring workers, technologies, and systems that shaped communities and landscapes. This emotional dimension adds immense value, transforming metal into meaning and scrap into storytelling. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Collectors, institutions, and public spaces increasingly recognize this significance, making such installations highly sellable and desirable. Buyers are not just acquiring an object, they are investing in a narrative, a cultural statement, and a symbol of responsible creativity. From a market perspective, the monumental nature of industrial upcycled art opens doors to high-end commissions and long-term investment value. These pieces are often commissioned for corporate campuses, public plazas, museums, luxury developments, and private collectors seeking statement installations that reflect innovation, sustainability, and bold identity. The rarity of each piece, driven by the unique history and form of the salvaged materials, ensures exclusivity. No two gears carry the same wear, no two beams bend in identical ways, and this inherent individuality makes each artwork irreplaceable. This uniqueness, combined with the growing demand for eco-conscious art, positions industrial upcycled installations as premium creations that command respect and substantial value in the art market. The process of working with such massive materials also pushes artists into a hybrid role, merging sculptor, engineer, historian, and environmental advocate. Creating installations from industrial scraps requires problem-solving on a grand scale, from safely manipulating heavy components to designing structures that balance aesthetic vision with structural integrity. This fusion of disciplines results in artworks that feel both intellectually rigorous and emotionally powerful. The artist's hand is evident not through delicate brushstrokes, but through bold decisions, strategic cuts, and thoughtful assemblies that honor the original form while guiding it toward a new identity. This depth of craftsmanship further enhances the perceived value of the work, reinforcing the idea that true luxury lies in skill, intention, and originality, rather than in new materials. Ultimately, sculpting forgotten stories through industrial upcycling challenges the narrative of waste and redefines what society considers valuable. These modern art installations stand as monumental proof that discarded materials can become iconic symbols of creativity, resilience, and transformation. They demonstrate that sustainability does not mean sacrificing grandeur or ambition, but rather embracing a deeper, more meaningful form of creation. By lifting colossal gears and structural beams beyond the factory floor and into the realm of art, creators give these forgotten giants a second life, one filled with beauty, relevance, and purpose. In doing so, they not only reshape metal but reshape perception, inspiring audiences to see potential where others see ruin, and to understand that even the heaviest remnants of the past can be reborn as powerful visions for the future. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.